Have you ever wondered how businesses are able to power their operations with clean, green, renewable energy without ever owning a single solar panel or wind turbine? Well, the answer is simple. It's open access. In the current system, businesses are locked into buying electricity from their local utility company at fixed rates. But with open access, the rules change. It's a policy structure that allows large energy customers, such as factories, hospitals, or data centers, to buy electricity directly from independent renewable energy producers. The question comes in our mind is, how is this done? Well, the business enters into a power purchase agreement with a renewable energy producer. This producer then develops a solar farm, often located miles away from the business that is buying the electricity. This clean, green electricity is then injected into the national or state power grid. This is where the open access part comes in. This grid is thought of as an open highway, and for a small fee, the utility company allows this green electricity to flow its way over their grid system. The business then draws an equivalent amount of electricity from the grid at their location. The benefits are huge. Businesses get access to predictable, often lower, long-term energy costs and a significant reduction in their carbon footprint. Developers get a guaranteed buyer for their green power, enabling further renewable energy growth. Open access renewable power, a win for business, a win for the economy, and a huge win for the planet.